Lemon water is perhaps the best drink you can get in the morning. But don't underestimate the power of pineapple water. Pineapple is packed with bromelain and vitamin C that strengthen your immune system and help detox your body of toxins. Let's take a look at the health benefits of pineapple water. 1. Fights inflammation. Bromelain is an enzyme that has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps flush toxins, reducing inflammation and its impact on the tissues and organs of the body. 2. Helps with weight loss. Pineapple is rich in fiber. This means that it takes longer for your digestive system to break it down, which helps with eating less and feeling full for longer. 3. Regulates the thyroid. Pineapples are great for people who suffer from autoimmune disorders due to the bromelain and iodine it contains. 4. Balances electrolytes. Pineapple is rich in potassium, which helps make our body a lot stronger and maintain the proper balance of electrolytes. 5. Gets rid of heavy metals and toxins. Pineapple can naturally help detox your body from toxins due to high levels of antioxidants, fibers, and enzymes. 6. Works as a digestive aid. The enzymes in pineapple juice help break down protein in your gut, which can help reduce constipation, gas, and bloating. Bromelain also has antibacterial properties that can protect your gut from diarrhea-causing bacteria like E. coli and reduce gut inflammation. 7. Strengthens gums. Research discovered that bromelain in pineapples can help break up plaque effectively. Simply rinsing the mouth with water after eating foods like pineapple can help dilute any harmful acids, and always wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. This gives the enamel a chance to remineralize following the acid attack. 8. Improves vision. Pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are known for improving eyesight. If you can, it's best to make pineapple water in the evening, just before you go to bed. Simply cut half a pineapple and add it to a bowl with 2 quarts or 2 to 3 liters of purified water. Put it in the fridge and drink in the morning. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want more natural-based remedies, then check out The Lost Book of Remedies. It's a hugely popular book on the healing power of plant medicine, and you can check our review or watch a video explaining more about the book by clicking on the link within this screen or in the description below. You won't be disappointed.